Hello everybody! Today we will be making these delicious peppermint avocado brownies. This recipe is made with absolutely no butter, making it a healthier alternative to regular brownies without compromising the taste. In fact, using avocado as a butter substitute not only provides 0.7 grams of fiber, but also cuts down on 5 grams of saturated fat and 53 calories per serving. This recipe makes a total of 24 servings, making it a great treat to share with your friends and family. So let's stop the talking and let's get started. The ingredients you'll need are 1 cup of all-purpose flour sifted, 230 grams of avocado or around 2 medium fruits or 1 cup pureéd, 3/4 cup of Dutch processed cocoa powder, 1 cup of sugar, 2 large eggs, 1 tablespoon of instant coffee, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a cup of 72% dark chocolate chunks, 1 cup of water, and for decorating, 1/4 cup of semi-sweet chocolate, and some crushed peppermint candy, but around 2 tablespoons should be enough. Preheat the oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Now let's mix together all the dry ingredients. In a large bowl containing your flour, sift in your cocoa powder, and add in your ground cinnamon, salt, baking soda, and also baking powder. Set aside for use. Next, mix the instant coffee powder with the cup of water and stir until it is all dissolved. Set aside for use as well. Moving on, let's mash the avocados. Using a handheld mixer, blender, or food processor, mash the avocados until it is fully pureed or smooth. Transfer the mashed avocados into a mixer bowl. Add in the sugar and mix on medium-high speed until well incorporated or smooth. Add in the eggs one at a time, mixing each egg in thoroughly before adding in the next one. Once the mixture is smooth, alternately add in the dry ingredients and the coffee mixture. Make sure to mix on low speed to prevent the dry ingredients from dusting. from the mixer and scrape down the sides and the bottom to make sure that all the ingredients are mixed in. Finally, stir in the dark chocolate chunks. Prepare a 13 by 9 inch baking tray and lightly spray it with some cooking oil. Then line it with a piece of parchment paper. Spread the batter evenly into the baking tray. And now it's ready for the oven. Bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 minutes or until an inserted toothpick comes out clean. Let the brownies cool to room temperature before decorating. Once the brownies have cooled down, it's time to melt the chocolate. Heat the semi-sweet chocolate in a microwave at 30-second intervals, stirring in between each time until all the chocolate has melted completely. Line a cup with a piping bag and pour in the melted chocolate. Tightly twist and close the bag and then cut off the tip. Drizzle the chocolate evenly onto the brownie in any pattern you like in your desired amount. If serving immediately, sprinkle on the crushed peppermint candy and cool the brownie in a fridge until the chocolate solidifies. If serving at a later time, keep the brownie in the fridge and sprinkle on the peppermint candy right before serving to prevent the candy from melting. Once the chocolate has solidified, using a serrated knife, make 4 by 6 cuts to create 24 even brownie squares. And now these brownies are ready to be served. So chocolatey and decadent you won't even remember they were made out of avocados. I hope you guys have enjoyed this recipe, and please like and subscribe if you wish to see more healthy recipes in the future. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy eating! Bye bye!